So you guys, this how it looks like.
It's so well, guys, and yeah. No.
Welcome to the episode with Caddy Family. Today we're gonna be making beef potato porridge. First things first, my sister will be washing some bell pepper. I'll be washing some beef, and then after my sister is done washing hers, my brother's gonna wash the paste. This helping you. Always wash your meat, guys. It's very important so none of the dust gets inside. Now let's wash. Guys, let's do it. Jane, how many you want? One? No, I don't need them. Now let's wash it. The other one goes here. And my one goes mix, and sweet. Oh, it looks so good. Now let's go marinate, guys. Follow me. And by the way, guys, it's gonna be shaped. So you guys, I'm gonna be marinating, and my sister and my brother is gonna be cutting. First me. So you guys, I'm gonna dump the beef inside the bowl. Thank you, Susie. You're welcome. Now let's put the spicy. Put some lemon pepper. I'll be putting aside my rosemary leaf. Beef seasoning. And be careful to make my hand. Black pepper. I saw. I'll put the seasoning. Inside my garlic powder. White pepper. It's not very little. It's just a little. Vaseline. Good. That's a beef bouillon. Perfect. Mine's perfect too. Mine's perfect.
Yes, Papa, it does. It's perfect.
What about mine? Mine is small, very shiny. Mine is small, mine too. Last thing, but not least, guys, I'm gonna be putting some my soy sauce. You. Wait, let me hold it. Let me do something. Can I have some now? Can I cover you? I'm gonna cover me, but you gotta be careful. Okay, well, be careful. Give me some now, but not very soft. This is the biggest one. I had the smallest one. We could cut together, bestie. I'm gonna start from this. I'm gonna cut from here. But I'm gonna cut from here. Oh, wash my hands and marinate. Okay, so you guys have to do this. Okay, so this. Is that perfectly put it here? It's not perfect. You put it here. I put that. Oh, yeah. Perfecto. Thank you, Mommy, for cooking with me.
You're welcome, Papa. You're so cute.
For bingo. Now let's go check into the pot. They cannot do it in that time. I know. First, I'll be putting aside some olive oil. Camera ever again.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
One can be for ruffling.
Yeah.
And the other one can be for live.
Yeah.
So you guys, now let's take it off. Put it the other way.
It looks so yummy.
So you guys, now my sister will be putting inside the other ones.
For 4 minutes each. So you guys, now let's take it out.
So you guys, now let's put all of our ingredients. First things first, I already put inside my oil. Now we put inside some onions.
No, that's what I'm not put it. Yeah, that's what I don't put it. That's just what you don't want to do that. Don't slow.
Now I'm gonna stir it. My garlic paste. Now we put inside my tomato sauce. Okay, now stir. So you guys, I'm gonna be putting inside some tomato paste. That's what I'm gonna do.
I know we're going to go through.
Okay.
We're going to go together.
There, like this.
Who's going to put it? Oh,
That's
is it
enough.
you? That even looks like, you know.
Shit, that's enough. Oh shit, that's enough.
That even looks like soda. Now we stir. Stop it! You're doing wrong. You do everything wrong.
Trying to mash that?
Yes, please.
Where will we put inside some bell pepper? I stir it.
Shut up. No, why won't we do that? Because I'm going to do the about to bend on you.
No, just put it on.
Look at that pepper. Ooh.
Yeah, Shannon's teeth is so long. Like good. Yeah, yeah, he's too.
Oh, this is
You can not. Mommy said I have to stir it. Why are you gonna stir it? Now we put inside some cornstarch inside water. Now stir. Hey guys, now let's put it in. Now let's stir. Now you wash my hands, guys. our spices. First things first, let's put in our cayenne pepper. Now we put inside my garlic powder. Now we put inside my basil leaf.
I'm trying to find my name there.
Now we put inside my rosemary leaves. Now we put inside my paprika. So you guys, my sister's going to put inside black pepper and salt. Now we're going to put in my black pepper. We put inside my beef broth. Hey guys, my sister will be putting inside some beef. Now it's mixed.
Put the potatoes.
Hey guys, now we're gonna put our potatoes.
God, you have to do that. Guys,
Yep.
thanks. This is real soup, guys.
So you guys, you're gonna keep it to be on low heat until it's ready. I'll be putting inside some bay leaves. So you guys, this is the end results. I can't wait to taste this, guys. This is how it looks like. And by the way, guys, now we're gonna be serving. Guys, this is how it looks like. Looks so bomb, guys, and yeah, I can't wait to taste it.
Where's the computer?
Okay, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, guys, now it's time to serve. I'll be going first.
No, I'll be going first because I was born because I'm
Delicious porridge, guys.
One meat.
That's actually two.
One meat. One down and I'm gonna start from putting the meat. Nope, I'll put the beef first. Mama, 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 mama. But the bees. The bees. Bees. And we'll get the beat. Only 3 weeks. As a young guy, you just need 1 more. No? 1 to 3. Oh, Shane, do not get meeting again. Do not. Not 2? Yeah. You already got all of them. So you don't need any more. Oh, Shane, that is not me. But this 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. No, I need soup. I need soup to fit. I need a soup. I need other soup to fit. I need other than
Guys, now we're going to be putting inside some paisley. And this is optional, guys. This is just for decoration.
Yeah.
Shay, your turn.
Thank you. I'll rather. Yeah? Just pour out once because we're done.
So you guys, this is the end results. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to be praying and eat. Who has to pray?
Me!
Okay, Shay, you can pray.
Amen.
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 Amen. Now let's eat. Or should I say?
Do it. Thank you,
I'm
Mom,
gonna start.
Thank you, Mom, for dinner.
It was actually us, Shay. Do you know that?
No, Mommy told us how to cook.
Kind of true, kind of true. You guys, cheers. Guys, this is so good, guys. This is a very great dinner you guys can make for yourself. And yeah, wow, it's actually so good.
I'm not going to recognize it.
Very good.
Guys, you gotta taste this. It's very good.
Welcome to lunch, guys. Fall to our town. Go to the dining table and bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I already done all my